Welcome friends to the 2027 Nissan Sentra. These are going to be your official updates from Nissan themselves, and if you stay tuned until the end of this video, I will be sharing with you how you can save a substantial amount of money off of 2026 Nissans. Alright, let's get started here. The two big updates for 2027 regarding the Sentra, it's going to be the introduction of a new SR Midnight Edition, and we also get a new CVT tuning as well. And there's also some changes with the pricing, and I'll get to that in a moment. But first, let's talk about the SR Midnight Edition. Obviously, you can tell by the name, it's building upon the SR trim level. We're going to get more black exterior badges, including a new Midnight Edition badge, along with the black window opening trim. We get 18-inch black alloy wheels and a super black two-tone roof. And if you like all of this, the Midnight Edition package, it's just a $650 option for the SR trim level. Not bad. Now, regarding the new CVT tuning, so of course, this Sentra, it's an all-new vehicle for the 2026 model year, but the Nissan engineers have further enhanced the performance of the 2027 Xtronic CVT transmission. It's now going to feel smoother and more linear for the acceleration, and in general we have a more crisper response to accelerator inputs, and Nissan claims that they're listening to customer feedback and they're applying meaningful changes and enhancements to their vehicles. Okay, good for them. And aside from all this, we have a new Qi 2 wireless charger providing faster, more consistent charging and compatibility with more devices. So there's that. And Nissan claims that they have the most standard features for any sedan in its class. And we also have the available dual 12.3-inch displays. We have the segment first, apparently, capacitive touch HVAC controls. You do get the standard wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, that's good. And we also have the front and rear zero gravity seats, and Nissan claims that they also have the best-in-class front legroom. The all-new redesigned Sentra, it did receive the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating, and you do get the useful safety tech features as standard. Actually, Nissan has always done a great job in giving us plenty of safety tech features standard, and there's even the 360 camera available to you as well. Not even a top-of-the-line Honda Civic offers the 360 camera. There's also going to be the available 64-color ambient lighting, and the top models have the 8-speaker Bose audio system. Regarding the trim levels, we still have the same four. It's going to be the S, the SV, the SR, and the luxury-oriented SL at the top. The S, the SV, and the SL, they'll be getting 30 mpg in the city, 38 out in the highway. The SR drops to 29 city, 36 highway, and that's the benefit of going with these CVT transmissions. You get excellent real-world fuel economy. The 2027 Sentra, it's actually on sale right now, and we do have some pricing updates. Regarding the entry-level S model, it's now going to start at $22,890. That's $290 higher than last year. The SV trim, it now starts at $23,590. That's $220 more than 2026. The SR trim level actually drops in price by $10, okay? And the SL trim level, the pricing has actually not changed. It remains at $27,990, but make sure to add $1,245 for the destination charge to all of the prices listed. Overall, nice looking car. I really like this redesign, but comment below, let me know your thoughts. Obviously, it's a very safe vehicle considering it's an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, and you get a whole bunch of useful safety tech features as standard, like your blind spot monitoring, your rear cross traffic alert, and much more. You got the big screens, all as standard. And I can have all of the official documents, press releases, spec sheets on the screen for you to check out. That way you will know everything there is to know regarding these vehicles. I think most families will want to at least step up to the SV trim. At least starting there, you will be getting the 16-inch alloy wheels as opposed to the 16-inch steel wheels found on the base S model. So SV is nice with the 16-inch alloys, and you also have the ability of upgrading the features on the SV by selecting various packages. But just naturally though, a base S will come with cloth seats. The SV comes with upgraded cloth, and that's nice to see. I actually do like cloth seats, and when a manufacturer offers a more premium cloth option, that's also very good to see. However, it is going to be a manual adjusted seat, which can be annoying. S and the SV come with just a 4-speaker audio system, no way to upgrade that. The SR comes standard with a 6-speaker audio system, and you can get the Bose as an option. The SL model comes standard with the Bose. On average, these vehicles, they weigh about 3,100 pounds. They have a fuel tank capacity of 12.4 gallons. We have a 14.3 cubic feet trunk. That's okay. We have a very low coefficient of drag on these cars, and the Sentra, it's powered by the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 149 horsepower and 146 pounds-feet of torque. We do have here the direct injection, and this engine will take regular fuel. And that's everything you need to know regarding the 2027 Nissan Sentra. As promised at the beginning of this video, here's how you can save a substantial amount of money off of new Nissans. And that's going to be with AutoCompanion. He offers one of the largest car buying services in the United States. His partner dealerships are offering about 10 to 11% off the sticker price on most new gas-powered Nissans, including the Sentra. And if you qualify for any incentives like military, that's going to stack on top of whatever the dealer discount is. So that is truly excellent. And Nissan is not the only brand that AutoCompanion carries. They also have Mazda deals, and they also have some Honda, Toyota, Volkswagen deals as well. Their partner dealerships are located in Washington, D.C. and in California. They do offer nationwide shipping. I've had 2 vehicles shipped, never had an issue, but you can save on that shipping cost by just picking up locally in DC or in California. Now, AutoCompanion does charge a concierge fee to purchase these pre-negotiated deals. If you mention my channel, yes, I will be compensated, but they will also take $50 off of their fee, and I really appreciate them doing that for my audience, because not only are these some of the best new car prices in the entire country, but you don't have to fight for this. It saves you time, frustration, headache. It's always a clean, elegant process buying through AutoCompanion. So if you have a frustrating local market, consider using AutoCompanion's car buying service. And all of their information, along with the free resources that AutoCompanion offers, all of this is going to be linked in the description box of this video. If you found value with this content, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Take care and goodbye.